Marine biodiversity and conservation is really the perfect program for students with a strong background in science, but who want to do something applied in the world. People who really want to understand the ocean but make a difference.
Not doing science just for the sake of doing science. We're trying to answer questions that will make the global oceans a better place. Students are learning the theory behind measuring biodiversity. We come into the lab and we're learning classical taxonomy, and then we are also using molecular techniques to measure biodiversity.
We focus not just on lab skills but human skills, understanding human behavior, clear communication. It's an applied public policy program that puts students out into the real world, looking at one of the emerging issues of our day, which is how do we conserve or even understand the open ocean.
One of the great things about this program is the culminating symposium. We bring 10 to 15 experts in conservation science and policy here to campus to work with our students and hear the student presentations on their conservation recommendations for the area that we're looking at. The students present posters on their scientific research that they conducted during the cruise, and then there's lots of time for networking and interaction. The whole course is focused on working on a real world challenge, and so we're thinking about and paralleling a problem that is being worked on by professionals in the field. We are then asking the students to work on that as well and hopefully come at it with new ideas, new directions, new angles, and potentially inform the professionals that are working on this.
The research involves, for example, doing conservation plans, looking at the integration of science and policy in a specific place in the ocean. You know, it's not learning out of a book, it's not a box, it's taking on real issues, working with real people in the field, issues that nobody has the answers for. So the answers you can come up with sometimes may be better than what's out there. So if you're looking for a challenge, a real challenge to make a difference, this is the program.